Hey guys, welcome back. This is Senya. Now we upgrade our vertical DIY box for 16 kilowatts hour from the previous one to the new version. For a new version of the vertical type, here are the following upgrade. First one is the handle. You can see now we add two more strong handle here for more easy move away. Second, we upgrade the circuit breaker. Yes, here circuit breaker from the old version to the new version. And the upgrade 3, that is the inner wire, we upgrade from the AWG wire to the busbar like this way. Yes, this is our upgrading. And now we offer the semi-assembled DIY box for our customer to assemble the 15 kilowatts hour, 16 kilowatts hour, and 17 kilowatts hour. Do you have interesting to see how to assemble it? So follow my video to see the details and if you have interest in it. Okay, let's take a look at our new DIY semi-assembled battery accessories. Here is the cells. And now when you receive the battery pack, it is the semi-assembled. You need to remove the cover, and when you remove it, please kindly note the wire with the display. Okay, now here is the inside of the semi-assembled pack. This is the epoxy board. And this is the EVA foam. Copper bus bar. You need to disconnect the PCB-A and PCB-B wire from the connected one. And this you need to use the DUI to disconnect the frame of the PCB. Okay, this step you need to remove all the accessory from the semi-assembled DIY box because you need to put the cell inside the case and you need to compress the battery cell. So those parts you need to disconnect them. Okay, the middle panel already disconnected. Now please check all the accessory is like the video shows. You need to put the epoxy board and put the cell inside the box, each one by each one. And please kindly note if your order of the cell like this way, put the middle plate in to compress the battery cell and to screw it every part just like you disconnected. Okay, now you need to put the flexible bus bar, each one by each one. This step is to connect the PCB wire to the cells. The red wire is to collect the cells voltage each one by each one, and the black wire is thermal wire to connect the temperature. Please use the torch to lock the screws. Connect the PCB wire. Connect each of the wire to the communication board, to the BMS. When you received our semi-assembled DIY box, we will provide you the specification and the user manual, how to assemble it. You need to check each one by each one, each step by each step. And finally, install the display screen onto the cover panel and connect the display screen wire to BMS main board before you closing the cover panel. Okay. Now use the glue to lock the screws. The final step is install antenna to enhance signal. Okay, now it's already finished the assemble. It is very easy to move away with the paste BMS. Okay, above is the details assemble process. Is that easy for you? Above is with the paste BMS, and we can also provide the JK BMS with the 4.3-inch screen with the V19 version. And here we also can offer you guys the logo printing. If you have 5 sets above or 10 sets above, free logo for you guys. Different logo can be printed on the panel and different color, all can be customized. If you have interest in, please contact with us freely. Okay, thank you for you guys watching. See you in next video. Bye.